Welcome to Season 2 Spark edition of Investment Insider, brought to you by Invest Selangor. My name is Cynthia Ng, your host for this series. In this Spark edition, we get up close with companies pushing the frontier of industrial estate development in Malaysia. Klanggroup is a Shah Alam-based company that has built a name as a foremost developer in Selangor, with a total of GDV amounting to 4 billion ringgit since its initial project, the ETP Sungai Buloh, in 2010. Klanggroup is now focused on meeting the increasing market demand for factory and commercial development in the country. Joining us on this episode is Danny Ong, Board of Director, Klanggroup Holding, Sdn Bhd. Welcome, Danny. It's a pleasure to have you on the show. Klanggroup over the years has gained increasing attention from the market with its industrial estate projects. Danny, if I may start with the company's vision, and in making your mark in this space, what are some of the strategies driving Klanggroup, if you can share with us?
Thank you, Cynthia, for having me here. To answer your questions, since our inception in 2010, it has been our principle to build a legacy that transcends times. Klanggroup has been holding firm to our uncompromised commitment of delivering the best property to our clients. Our consistently strive to make a mark at every corner in Malaysia with impressive developments. We continuously devote our effort to develop successful projects to meet the needs of today as much as for future, by keeping up with all the latest innovation in developments and construction industries.
Now, as you have pointed out, Danny, pushing the innovation mindset is key to staying ahead of the competition. Can you also then talk to us about your company's expansion plans in catering to increased demand for industrial estates, and what will be your key selling point as there are many players in the market?
Yeah, it is a good question. Looking for the expansion plan that we have, Klanggroup will soar to greater size in the foreseeable future, implications on eco-healthy and one of its class industry. Such a prospect developments will certainly elaborate the country's capacity to manifest the opportunity in industry ultimately. Thus, foreseeing endless possibility in its growth, beyond all the breakthrough, it is our core belief to build a brighter tomorrow, starting from today by improving the life of people who constitute the future.
Improving livelihood. Now that is an interesting point, because on this show, we have spoken with many industry players who emphasize that investors nowadays are looking to set up their factories or warehouses in a place that also caters to good living, sustainability, that is eco-friendly, to name a few. So on that note, Danny, I understand that Klanggroup has 11 property projects in Selangor in your industrial park portfolio, which have sold very well. Can you share with us, Danny, some of its unique selling propositions?
Yeah, I would like to say that it is really a blessing that all our industry building projects are sold so well and receive a great response from our clients, from local and overseas. Where the development is the heart of a country's economic growth, we need more compromise in our standard to develop the ideal factory for the industries. In the past 10 years, Klanggroup persists to create better industry buildings, place a listings emphasize on quality, and equip with a world-class facility and future-proof print features. We consistently surpass expectations and rising the par on industry standards. Leveraging on our experience in supreme quality industry buildings, we insisted stringent feasibility study for every project to facilitate sustainable economic developments in our countries.
Thank you for sharing that with us, Danny. Now, I would like to switch gears to talk about the pandemic. 2020 was a tough period for most businesses, but despite the uncertainties, Klanggroup went ahead to develop the International Industrial Park in Kapar. What opportunities did you see in the market, Danny?
Yes, it was a tough period for most of the business due to COVID-19, but it also caused a surge in demand for some of the business industries. This includes manufacturing of rubber gloves, last mile delivery distribution hub for packaging and sorting products, warehouses and e-commerce, KIP Kappa 2 development is a long-term project where Klanggroup offers 895 acres of fully infrastructure industry lands. We also provide design build, pre-construction and construction management, and generating contracting service to meet the client's every need.
Thank you, Danny, for giving us an insight into the plans in the Kappa Industrial Estate. We will go for a quick break, but when we come back, we find out why Klanggroup is staying bullish despite operating in a tough environment. Stay with us. Klanggroup has rolled out 11 industrial projects since 2011. Its latest include the ETP Meru Industrial Park 3, comprising 32 units of freehold industrial factory lots located on 20 acres of land in the well-established township of Meru, Selangor. Also in Selangor is where the company's crown jewel development is located. Stretched across 1,100 acres of prime land in Klang Valley, the K International Industrial Park caters to the needs of all types of businesses, from micro SMEs and tech startups to manufacturing giants and multinational corporations. Its connectivity with major transshipment hubs and expressways, with close proximity to townships such as Kapar, Setia Alam and Klang, will allow businesses to tap into the abundant skilled and semi-skilled workforce that reside in these areas.
Invest Selangor values and will assist both foreign and local investors that are interested in establishing their operation in Selangor.
ETP, or the Excellent Technology Park, has been a signature of industrial estate developer Klanggroup. Starting with ETP Sungai Puloh in Klang in 2011, Klanggroup now has 8 ETP projects under its belt, all with the same proposition: strategic location, seamless connectivity, and best-in-class amenities and industrial services to facilitate ease of doing business. Welcome back to Investment Insider. With me on the show is Danny Ong, Board of Director of Klanggroup Holdings. Danny, let's talk about some of the key projects that Klanggroup is now working on. There is the ETP Teluk Panglima Garang, located between Banting and Klang, and then there is the third phase of the ETP Meru Industrial Park. Danny, can you talk to us about the focus for these two projects?
Yes, to answer your questions. For these two projects, we are emphasizing to fulfill the underserved market in constructing medium industrial buildings and office blocks to support the needs of the market.
Medium industrial buildings and office blocks you mentioned will be what the market needs. So talk to us about your expansion plans, Danny. I understand that you do feel bullish about the market despite the tough environment that we are all operating in right now. So what are your strategies, if you can share with us?
To answer your questions, to remain competitive, we hold on firmly to our philosophy to build a sustainable future for our country's many generations to come, with passionate and distinguished developments. Our state-of-the-art developments are built to perfection, fitting the dreams and ideas of the futuristic times. It is our promise to turn great ideas into realistic and ultimately bring about positive change to our beloved countries. We sought for the best material to be used in our development projects to get a maximum value for our clients. With the utmost interest at heart, we pay attention to everyone's fine detail of their practical needs and demands, thus promising to deliver the best quality and high value of properties.
Sounds like you have a solid plan in place, Danny. Now, I'd like to talk about Selangor, which has become the prime location for some of the largest industrial estates in the country. Can you share with us why did Klanggroup choose to set up base in Selangor?
Yeah, it is a good question. As one of the largest economic generators in Malaysia, Selangor enjoys a highly developed infrastructure for major industry clusters, and is a well-established investment haven backed by excellent state government support and as an advanced commercial ecosystem. In the past few years, our team has been providing holistic solutions for industry players from other states to relocate to Selangor in Klang through integrations of wireless-related factories for economy efficiencies. Leveraging on my connections and close working relationship with foreign establishments, I have been aggressively promoting Port Klang, the largest port in Malaysia, as an ideal destination for nesting their manufacturing plant and facilities.
Finally, Danny, I would like to get into the support ecosystem for businesses like yours and the role of state promotion agencies like Invest Selangor. How has Invest Selangor helped Klanggroup, particularly in times of uncertainty?
Yes, I would like to say that the effort of Invest Selangor has directly and indirectly helped Klanggroup to lay a strong foundation of confidence for investors from all across the world who wish to invest in Selangor. We serve quite a number of clients and potential investors that was attracted to invest in Selangor, and they are impressed with our free infrastructure, supreme quality, and comprehensive world-class facility, industry, and buildings.
Thank you, Danny, for taking the time to talk to us today, and we look forward to more great developments from Klanggroup. You have been tuning in to Investment Insider with me, Cynthia Ng. We hope to see you again in the next episode.
Selangor is the most attractive investment destination. Find out how we can assist you at www.investselangor.my. Join us again in the next episode.